In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a domain name to a funnel in ClickFunnels. By the end, your funnel will be attached to a clean, branded URL, which looks professional, builds trust, and makes sharing and tracking much easier. Before we start, make sure your custom domain is already connected to your ClickFunnels account. We won't cover connection steps here, but you'll need that done because we'll select it from a drop-down inside the funnel's settings. Begin on your ClickFunnels dashboard. In the left navigation, click Funnels. This takes you to the list of funnels in your account. If you have lots of them, use the search bar or scan the list to find the funnel you want to assign the domain to. Choose the one you intend to make public, whether it's a sales page, a webinar registration, or a lead magnet. Next, open that funnel's settings. Click the gear icon, sometimes labeled as Settings, for that specific funnel. This opens a panel where you control how the funnel behaves and how it's reached. Look for the Domain dropdown. Click it and choose your connected custom domain from the list. Only domains already connected to your account will appear here. If you don't see yours, it simply means it isn't connected yet, and you'll need to handle that first. Now set the funnel path URL. This is the part of the address that comes after the domain. If you enter a single slash, you're making this funnel the default root of the domain, so visitors who type your domain.com will land directly on this funnel. If you prefer a more specific address, enter a path like webinar, sales, or something similar. Keep it short, clear, and descriptive. Use lowercase letters, avoid spaces and special characters, and stick to hyphens if you need separators. Also, make sure the path isn't already in use on the same domain to prevent conflicts. When you're satisfied with the domain and path, click Update Funnel to save. This applies your changes to the funnel. Give it a moment to update, especially if you've just connected a domain recently, as changes can take a short time to reflect. That's all there is to it. You selected the funnel, opened its settings, picked your custom domain, chose a path that matches your campaign, and saved. With those steps, your funnel is now ready to be shared with a branded URL that's easy to remember and easy to track. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined ClickFunnels setup.